unboxing and getting the first look of the newest and latest 3D printer by Ultimaker, the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect. This unboxing video was brought to you by Ultimate 3D Printing Store. So what's in the box? After initial opening, you can see that the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect includes a roll of 2.85mm filament, which is always a benefit for a new 3D printer to get you printing right off the bat. Beside the filament was the accessory box, which included the safety and warranty information packet. Ultimaker has a great warranty, and the safety information that you need is right here. In addition, the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect has a quick start guide, which is very beneficial because whether you're a new user or an experienced 3D printer user, this can get you printing in a short amount of time. Back to the unboxing of the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect, you can see it's securely packaged all the way around. And the big reveal, the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect lives up to the Ultimaker reputation with a beautiful, sleek, and clean design. Let's take a closer look. Inside of the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect, you can really see what sets it apart. Its high quality parts is what makes the difference. And after finishing this last small bit of unboxing, we can go back inside and really analyze what makes Ultimaker the best. From this high quality extruder which can print a wide range of materials to the sturdy Z-axis rails all the way down to the stable build plate, and the touchscreen, which is a large bonus to the 2 Plus Connect users. Do you see that? I don't. Where are all the electronics and wires? Well, Ultimaker's innovative design has packed away the electronics in a very smart way. You don't see electronics because they're so compact and nicely placed that they're out of your way. These powerful stepper motors and electronics are all in the very little corners, allowing for a larger print volume, still keeping a small footprint. These linear rails can also help get better print all the way around. And with better prints, you want a smaller printer because it takes up less space, and this Ultimaker does that. All the way around, this Ultimaker is a very small printer compared to such a large print bed size it actually has. Space efficient, high quality, that's Ultimaker, the 2 Plus Connect. Ultimaker, an ultimate 3D printing store. At www.ultimate3dprintingstore.com, Ultimaker printers, parts, filaments, and more, all for sale at a reasonable price.